Hey guys, welcome back to Sporty's Tool Shop TV. Today we're going to check out this pack of 2 multi-purpose cleaning gel. You can use it in the car, which is what we're going to show you today. And it's really easy to use. It's real kneadable, so it fit in these cracks to get all the dust out. And what's nice about it is there's no cleaning sprays, there's no wipes. You just press it, pull it off, and it takes the dust out with it. Another good use for this cleaning gel is on the infotainment screen. You can see that there's buttons here. There's a lot of dust in between them. You can simply just take this, press it against the screen and around the buttons, and the dust comes right off with it. And for areas like this vent and this button, simply take the cleaning gel, press it against it, the dust comes right off. If you want to get inside the vents, it's just the same method. Look at that. No chemicals, no sprays, just a little bit of this cleaning putty. A lot of these newer cars have buttons for the gear select. It's a spot where dust and dirt will accumulate. Those are also areas that will easily be cleaned with this cleaning gel. Even around the cup holder is pretty easy. And once it gets dirty, just take it, knead it around, and it's ready to go again. We'll just go ahead and get this as well. Look at that. Perfection. Even the buttons in the door that roll the windows up and down, lock the doors, those are just as easy. And for areas like this turn signal, you can simply take the putty, string it out, just wrap it around. That's one easy way to do it. But you can do it any way you'd like. Do a little bit more cleaning here, and that's it, folks.